Hey guys, so we sold a ton of fans, so I moved some around here. First I'll show you. So back here, we couldn't figure out what this goes to, but I thought this was cool. This, we had the whole fixture, but some of it must have gotten scrapped. One of those that hangs by the 3 chains. So we've gotten through our whole backlog of, excuse me, let me sneak past you. You can take a look. So that Heritage is still here. We moved this SMC over here. Emerson's still here. Moved that Sears over here. Moved that Heritage here. Somebody bought this for the globes and then redonated it, and we put new globes on it back for sale.
That's some very, very good prices.
That's still here. Lasco House Beautiful, still here. Brown's still here. Design House Hugger still here. This little cheap stencil thing, Heritage or whatever, that Heritage is still here. We got 3 of those new tones left. Finally put that Westinghouse out with different blades. That Menards is still here. That thing is still here. Finally put that out. This came in today. Minka's still here. There was a price on this. It came off. I'll have to put a new one on there. Move these over here to see if we can get them to sell faster. Yeah. Isn't that cool? They call that black chrome. It's actually a pretty good quality fan too. And the last thing I'll show you over here. This came in. Been rewired, but otherwise original. Okay, thanks for watching.